Good morning on Monday the 15th of July with a very strong Bitcoin over the weekend. It's been a while. We did plus 10% over the weekend, kind of unexpected to me. And let's go to a lower time frame to see what happened. We do have a nice bounce from that green box. Past weeks I have been looking for more downside here, won't deny. But later in the week, last week, I started to see that we printed a fifth leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I called for more upside. I was hoping here for a bit more, for a bit lower on Friday and then make that move higher. But it already pushed higher over the weekend. Are we full bull now here? Not yet. Look. This is the high, the lower high. So we are in that sequence of lower highs, lower lows. That high caused this lower low. We haven't broken that yet, meaning that we are on the daily still in a bearish structure. We need to break that, and then we can call it a bullish structure. What I also see is, let me go to my Elliott wave chart. This is the first leg up, which I showed you. The small correction in 2, where I was looking for more downside. This is leg number 3, could go a bit higher, 4 or 5. Breaking that structure, do a pullback. Correction, if this is corrective, then more upside. The trick, however, or the trap could be here, is that we do a stop run, take out liquidity over here, because if you are short, you most likely have your stops above here. So a nasty play would be take out those stops and come down, do a bearish retest and make that move lower. That is still a possibility if you do see here just a wick into those stops and when it immediately rejects. If we go higher like this and then we do get a corrective move lower, a slower move, then we likely see that fifth leg correction and more upside. So all eyes for me on how we are going to break that level. I already showed you my Elliott wave structure. So one thing left, what I wanted to share with you is the fractal with the summerish price action summer 2023. This price action is to me exactly the same. Well, not exactly, but it has the same pattern of correction, a bounce, another correction, slow price action, lots of chop, and it did make this year, this summer, it did make a new low. It didn't do that last year, but for me it stays that this is the same pattern, and towards August we see a rise, and especially in September we could see a big rally. This says towards 90,000, and yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if we gonna make that kind of move in the coming weeks. But let's first see how we break that previous lower high and if we do get bullish continuation. It's looking good, but not yet full bull.